Well, it's been a few decades and quite a few brain cells since I've operated one of these. We'll see what I remember, if anything. All right, so far so good. Get it over here a little better. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll take it. Let's do that 5 more times. I'll make sure this is perfectly level right here. Otherwise, the whole thing's going to get out of kilter. There we go. Now we got our starting point. Now that we've found center, we can go ahead and start working out both directions. 2 boards, single sheet of corrugated, 2 boards, single sheet of corrugated. Go from corner to corner here. Looking to get this wall done this evening. And it's 4th of July, so I'm going to make myself and the bride some hot dogs and bratwurst. More to come here shortly. But is it level? That's the kicker. Is it level? We're close. Works for me. Shoot it and call it good. Alrighty. Hang some tin. Sometimes you don't get as far as you want to when you're living on a farm. Because when you're living on a farm, somehow everything on the farm seems to know when you're trying to do something for you and the farm needs something else done. So I'm going to stop here from now and I'm going to make me and the bride some hot dogs and bratwurst. We'll be back tomorrow. Y'all take care.